Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K. Misra. This video tutorial is on General Paper First of UGC NTA NET. जी हाँ, मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन हमने यहाँ इंक्लूड किया हुआ है. चैप्टर in fact is interest in profession of teaching aptitude. This is part 7. Now come to the question number 1. A series of progressive approximations to a successful performance best defines A. Developmental tasks, B. Learning, C. Maturation, or D. The scientific method. Correct option is B. Learning. 2. Which of the following is the most adequate definition of learning? A. The acquisition and organization of knowledge. B. The development of skills. C. The solving of problems. Or D. The modification of behavior. Correct option is D. The modification of behavior. हमारे व्यवहार में कितना चेंज आया, कितना मॉडिफाइड हुआ या कितना हम लर्न कर पाए, रियल लर्निंग उसी में दिखाई पड़ता है. 3. द मेन आर्गुमेंट अगेंस्ट टीचर्स स्ट्राइक्स हैज बीन दैट ए. टीचर्स स्ट्राइक्स जनरली हैव बीन अनसक्सेसफुल. बी. salaries have risen faster than the cost of living. C. Teachers' contract should not be violated. D. The public is sympathetic to the teacher. That option is C. Teachers' contracts should not be violated. 4. The mental changes involved as the learner acquires new ways of perceiving or apprehending the things are referred to as A. Cognitive, B. Affective, C. Cognitive, D. Tautological. Correct option is A. Cognitive. 5. The most critical factor needed to make teaching a true profession is A. An improved salary scale, B. Longer period of training, C. Improved school buildings, or D. Discipline of its own members. Correct option is D. Discipline of its own members. 6. The term intra-individual differences refers to, here correct option is A. Differences among the various in a given individual. 7. The function of a teacher primarily is that of A. Correct option is C. Guide, helping the child progress towards maximum growth. 8. Psychologists would consider the real criterion of whether or not learning has taken place to be, correct option is C. Improved behavior. 9. For maximum efficiency in learning, a given passes for one single production, for example, a school play, it is best to have, here correct option is D, relatively long practice periods concentrated just before performance is required. 10. Forgetting can be considered to be A. A passive process of fading, B. The result of incorrect learning, or C. The result of insufficient learning, D. A case of negative transfer. Correct option is D. A case of negative transfer. 11. The first professional responsibility you must meet as a new teacher is to, correct option is C. Cooperate with your fellow teachers in spite of differences. 12. In which of the following areas do deaf children tend to show the greatest relative inferiority to normal children? A. Intellectual development, B. Socio-emotional development, C. Academic progress, or D. Language development. So यहाँ पर सही जवाब है D. Language development. 13. Which of the following is the least important aspect of the teacher's role in the guidance of learning? A. The development of insight into what constitutes an adequate performance. B. The development of insight into what constitutes the pitfalls and dangers to be avoided. C. The provision of continuous diagnostic and remedial help. Or D. The forestalling of habits. So here correct option is B. The development of insight into what constitute the pitfalls and dangers to be avoided. 14. Which of the following statements appear most accurate in the light of our present knowledge of the neurophysiology underlying learning? So correct option is D here. To date, psychologists have not been able to discover the neuropsychological changes occurring as a person learns. 15. Recitation in learning appears most profitable when introduced. Options देखते हैं. A. At the beginning of the learning period. B. Uniformity throughout the learning period. C. Towards the end of the learning period. Or D. Only as preparation for the testing period. So correct option is C. Towards the end of the learning period. 16. The best way to establish rapport with your class is to A. Demand the respect due your age and status. B. Remain aloof. Be a figure of authority. C. Impress your students with your knowledge and skill. D. Play the role of a guide. Who desires to help them. So here correct option is D. Play the role of a guide who desires to help them. 17. Which of the following procedures would be best from the standpoint of efficiency of acquisition for a given degree of long-term retention? A. High level of overlearning. B. Reviews spaced progressively further apart. C. Trial and error or priming. Correct option is D. Reviews spaced progressively further apart. 18. Which of the following would constitute the most proper action to take if a child continues to talk after the class has been asked to be quiet? A. Speak loudly enough to be heard by the student who is talking. B. Have the whole class sit with hands folded for 5 minutes to impress on them the need for silence. C. Make the whole class stay after school. Or D. Arrange to speak to him privately. So correct option is D here. Arrange to speak to him privately. 19. The teacher's primary responsibility lies in. Correct option is A. Planning educational experiences. 20. Which of the following best explains the phenomenon of forgetting? Correct option is C here. The phenomenon of interference. 21. It is generally agreed that correct option is C. Any professional organization should include several levels of leadership. 22. Which of the following is not an aspect of learning? A. The accumulation of knowledge. B. Q reduction. C. Modification of perceptions. Or D. Sensitization of nerve fibers. Correct option is D. The sensitization of nerve fibers. 23. Which of the following duties is least likely to be required of all teachers? A. Visiting the homes of pupils. B. Disciplining pupils in their care. C. Keeping a record of textbooks. Or D. Preparing and grading examinations. So correct option is A here. Visiting the homes of the pupils. This was all about this particular video tutorial. Now I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Bye.